It's like, is there somebody singing right now? Might be. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, this is kind of cool. I guess I missed the street last night. I filmed last night around this area, but I don't remember seeing all these bars in this little strip right here. It's like House, Lizard Bar, Bamboo Bar. It's kind of this whole little strip, all of them. Bird cages with the House Lizard. I guess it's like I guess they own both across the street too. Probably get more of this at night tonight, but I had quite a bit last night too, so just check out for that video as well. And last night, there's some acoustic guitar right there. A lot of them always had live music in the evening. So it's a great place just to enjoy. Okay. There's another one, Long Time No See bar. I bet they also have live music too. Nice theme. It's actually nice live music too, because it's like not overbearing. Here's a Kaya reggae bar upstairs. But it's not overbearing because you can, it's like just, you know, one person singing with an instrument. The balcony bar. I guess I did walk over here last night because I remember this scene right here. I guess that's the balcony bar. Pretty cool though. I'm just gonna walk up this. Oops. Okay, so we'll show more of this later today, I'm sure. Came across this, and I'm just kind of walking down off of the tourist area and kind of stumbled into this street. And it's kind of cool. Like some old style hotels. I don't know if they're actually old or not. Feels like there's a lot more, actually there's Chinese tourists everywhere, but this street feels like it's like even more Chinese tourists. The other streets, there's more like international element to it. So, okay. It's kind of interesting. This one has the red and yellow socialism thing. Room available. Police station, okay. Police bikes. So yeah, like how they have tables outside. Yeah, China's pretty cool actually. Really like it. Let's just see what this alley looks like that. And this is all written in Chinese. Stick to the shade here. It's August 12, I think. August 11, August 12. And it's pretty hot. So the daytime you're just like sweating. Oh, look at all those. It's a really cool looking houses right there. Coming right at me, and she's gonna park right where I was standing. Okay. West Street, that's kind of the main tourist corridor. But I kind of want to walk around and see more stuff, so I just kind of see what we can see and then probably end up back at West Street again. West Street is where, West Street is actually a bunch of different streets. That seems to represent it. But basically that's where all the tourist stuff is at. Pretty cool street too, West Street. Driftaway Ferry Inn, okay. Let's try to get on the sidewalk here. Oh, can't get on it very well because this is also where cars park. Anyways, we'll keep exploring and get another, oh, the charity library bar. Okay, I'm gonna go over there for a little bit. Kind of cool looking stuff in there. It's kind of interesting because this is like one of those mountains and there's a little tunnel that goes underneath. And it also looks like a big parking lot too. There's another one over there. I think we're just gonna walk. Looks like it's just a parking lot. But a parking lot goes all the way under the tunnel, so it looks like it used to be a road. Just walk here for like 2 seconds. See what it is. Yeah, it's a parking lot all the way down, so it's a tunnel that is turned into a parking lot. Yep, one big massive parking lot with a dog. Okay. Kind of interesting. So the mountain is small enough to build an entire tunnel underneath it. Kind of cool. Okay. It's kind of interesting because I just saw some other signs, you know, like kind of talking about solidarity and, you know, what's good for the society. So, you know, like that one's kind of like Workers United. So, you know, kind of interesting. Saw some posters basically in a couple of places about, you know, communism slogans. Okay. Okay. And we have a wall. And Snow White themes. Mushroom, I guess that's Alice in Wonderland? Yeah, Alice in Wonderland. Smurfs. Okay. Another bike. The duck with an umbrella. So, okay. So yeah, we're just gonna keep on exploring. See what else is around. Yeah, Yangshuo, that's a canoe. Okay, I think we're gonna go back to West Street. Okay, back in the town again. Beautiful music here being played. Kind of reminds me a little bit of the evening live music in different places. Oh, it's like, is there somebody singing right now? Might be. Oh no, it's just recording. Their stage is lit up in purple inside, so. Okay. Beautiful Yangshuo mountain in the background there too. So, okay. Pretty cool stuff up on the second floors too. Chiquinha, chiquinha.